Marriott's constantly striving to reduce our footprint. We've always been looking for opportunities to improve our efficiencies, our green footprint. When Ecopilot approached us, I think at the property we were ready to investigate something. My name's Jeff Ransom. I'm the general manager for the Halifax Marriott Harbourfront Hotel. We've been with Ecopilot for 3+ years right now, and it's gone well beyond just being a transaction. It's become a relationship. It takes some time to roll out this technology, to fine-tune it for the property, but we knew that we were talking with people that wanted to work every detail of this out to our advantage. We got an outside look at what we just took for granted as the normal equipment that we were using to operate our building and how efficient it was or inefficient. And one of the things that I remember as we were rolling this project out was, how the Ecopilot system actually takes the energy that's already within your building and uses it versus saying we need to make some sacrifices. The key benefit of this is that our customer experience remains the focus point of the overall project. Yeah, I'm a big fan. That's why I'm here.